Urhobo ado obomisi sie vrena megunota rere ihwo reniese iwo sese oborimisirina metakpare oboreyin rokwo urhobo gugbe eta igbeyan ive sata o iku ive di mudiasa asata kugbe oye megunota kpana. How are you? Mavọ ganre. Yes, I am fine. Ganre. How is it happening? Mavọ odjeri. Odje it's happening well or it's fine. How work? Kiruo. Fine. Oshephiyọ. How things? Kiruo. Fine. Oshephiyọ. Mi-guẹ or Mi-guẹ. Mi-guẹ means I am on my knees. That is Mi-guẹ or Mi-guẹ. I am on my knees. Vren-do. Rise up. Do. There, like the greeting, like the Mi-guẹ, you can only greet somebody who is an elder to you. You don't just greet just anybody. Somebody that you are sure that the person is your elder by age. That is the person you greet in that way. But when you want to talk of maybe all this good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night, you say Omamọ urhiọke. Omamọ urhiọke. Good morning. Omamọ urhiọke kẹwẹ. Good morning to you. Omamọ Ighofose. Good afternoon. Omamọ Ighofose kẹwẹ. Good afternoon to you. Omamọ Ighofose. Good evening. Omamọ Ighofose kẹwẹ. Good evening to you. Good night. Todẹ. Some people say Todẹ, some say Todẹ, so it depends. Good night. Todẹ. Now I'm going to talk about the days of the week. Ẹdijana. Days of the week. Ẹdijana. Ẹdijana week. Ẹdiruo-ẹsosuọ Monday. Ẹdiruo-ivẹ Tuesday. Ẹdiruo-erha Wednesday. Ẹdiruo-ene Thursday. Ẹdiruo-iyorin Friday. Then Ẹdijana rotete Saturday. Ẹdijana rode Sunday. Those are the weekdays in Urhobo. I think you understand this one. If you have any question, feel free to ask me. I will be right here to answer all your questions. I wish you all a lovely weekend. Bye.